Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what we have here today is a whole bridal set. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and basically walk you through the imperfections that might be there from it. This is a used item, but once again, it is a whole set. It really just needs to go through the dry clean to be cleaned, but it's a very beautiful set. So what I'll do is I'll get close, I'll show you the detail, and as we're going around, any things that are any imperfections I'll point out to you. So basically this is the back of the dress, and I do want to point out one thing. If you look right here, there is a piece that is broken off. Basically what that is what the train connects to, and as you can see, here goes the other piece. This is what it should look like. So up here it's kind of yellowing, so I do want to point that out. Also, there are a couple areas on the dress that I do have makeup on them. So that's that. We'll go down. It was a custom-made dress, and the information on where it was made will be put in the description, so you can check that out. So that's that. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll over to the side, and I'm gonna show you the train, the veil, and the tulle skirt that was also self-made. So first off is the train. Let's see. There we go. Basically the same design that's on the dress itself. It's the back side. The same design on each side. As you can tell, it's also a slight yellow to it also. Next, we have the veil. The color of the dress was a ivory, just so that you do know. So this is the veil. And last is the tulle skirt that was self-made. Basically this is what will give you that poof. So once again, the dress and all itself is in really good condition. There's no rips or tears or anything like that. It just really needs to be cleaned. Now what we'll do is we'll go over to the front of the dress. As you can see, the yellowing. If you do get close enough, you can see it does have gold in it, the little gold thing. So as you're going down, you do have dirty spots over in here, here, and also over in here, a whole bunch of makeup. So that will all need to be cleaned out. So now what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and show you the bottom underneath. Now of course you do have to understand that this was dragged on the ground, so you do have the dirty marks, but this is underneath. So there are going to be two more things that I'm going to point out to you other than just the dirt that's down here. There are different areas that you can basically hold the dress to prevent it from dragging on the ground, this being one of them. Basically, if this was flipped over, you would hold this, and it would look, basically you'll be holding up the dress here. So as you can see, there's that. And then also on the back side, there's one pen here. It's basically a little loop that you can hold on to. It's thing that you would basically wear around the wrist, and then you'll connect it to that, so that way the bride is able to hold up her dress as she's walking. So you have both of those. So once again, the only thing that's really broken on the whole dress is this one little ball here, and as again, this is what it does look like, but it's the only thing that's broken on the whole dress. The inside does have basically makeup, so it does need to be cleaned. Once again, I mean, the biggest thing with the dress is it just needs a good cleaning. So go ahead and point this out to you. And of course, you would want it professionally dry cleaned. So see if I can get these to come in focus. There we go. And then down here. So now once again, all the information that I went over will be in the description below or above, wherever we end up putting the video. But if you do have any questions, you can go ahead and send us a message at any time. So other than that, happy bidding.